morning students, welcome to Lukmaan IAS Academy and I am K V Ramesh, Anthropology faculty. I am hereby telling you that we are making Anthropology PYQ series from Lukmaan IAS Academy. So when it comes to our today's session, so organic and superorganic view of culture. So before going on to that question, so I am informing that we are launched this foundation batch June 15, 2023 and immediate mains goers test series which begins from June 18th and long term test series also called we chapter wise test series which begins from July 13th. So here you will get nearly 35 chapter wise tests and 4 sectional tests and 2 grand tests. So you can I am informing that you can enroll into this program. So when coming into our question, so what is organic view and superorganic view of culture? So before proceeding on that, this concept was developed by Alfred Kroeber. So he was American anthropologist and he was influenced by Emil Durkheim. So he was influenced by Emil Durkheim concept of the social fact. So from which he inspired and developed the concept of superorganic. And what is superorganic view of culture? So superorganic view of culture is nothing but culture exists at the level above than the individuals who created and carry it. That means we are the human beings. We create various products, that is social products, cultural products, material products. So all the things who created. So if that creation is above than the creator, that kind of level we call as superorganic level. So don't worry, I will explain in detail every concept. So here, once it became superorganic, it assumed it as a living being. So it continued, it sustained every generation. That means this culture is being carried by every generation people once it got created. So because it acquires its own laws, phenomena as well as processes. So these processes, laws, phenomena gives life for the culture. So how do we explain all these things? So Alfred Kroeber, he explained this concept at 3 levels of complexity. So the entire universe consists 3 levels. The first level is inorganic world or we call as physical world. So this physical world is least complex. So what kind of things are present in this physical world? The first of all, various atoms and molecules. So all the atoms and molecules in this universe are say on the earth we call as physical world. So this is least complex because so if you put all the atoms and molecules together, the sum is equal to all the parts. The sum is equal to all the parts. But when we arrange these physical atoms or inorganic atoms for say hydrogen plus oxygen plus carbon dioxide and other minerals together, so these particular kind of arrangement which gives life. So life that we call as organic world. In this organic world, what are all components present? The plants, animals, including humans. So humans comes under organic world. So which is more complex. In this organic world, you can say that. So humans composed or consist of various inorganic elements. For say, our body has hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and other minerals. So when these minerals are arranged together, it produces various processes such as respiratory, excretory, reproductive as well as hormonals and everything. So that means when we separate all these physical atoms from our body, these products are absent. When we arrange all these physical atoms in appropriate manner, we will get these products. That means here the whole is more than the sum of parts. What are all these whole? All the parts. So all parts plus products which created. So this is called in organic view of the culture. So now there is similarities. Now you can take that. So inorganic materials arranged into individuals or organic humans. So it leads to the new life for that individual, new life that we called as individual. So when inorganic elements are appropriately arranged, it comes into organic. Organic means life owned. So now these similarities we will apply. So here organic means individuals. So individual humans, when appropriately organized, groups and communities came into being. So groups and communities came into being. So these groups and communities developed symbolic systems. Symbolic system and communication systems. That means we put this is the one human being and another human being and another human being. When two or more people come together, what would happen? They develop a out of the biological things that is called communicative world. So these communicating world is more than the three individual. So in social sciences, some whole is equal to sum of all individuals plus whatever the products they created. So that's why in social sciences, especially in cultural view, whole is greater than the sum of the parts. So now you can see that. So the that means beyond the organic, there exists a symbolic and communicative elements which is created by the individual arranged in the groups. Here all the inorganic elements arranged appropriately, life has begun. Here all the individual human beings arranged appropriately, groups and communities came into being, and these groups and communities operate at symbolic and as well as communicative level. So these beyond the humans, that means these people or these groups and communities, they created this symbolic and communicating system. So they would be carried, sustained by next generation people. And these people carried and sustained to the next generation people. That means once culture got created, what would happen? It has no death. It would be continued in every generation. That we call as culture acquires its own life. So you can see clearly the analogy. When inorganic elements are appropriately arranged, the new process that is called life began. When individuals are arranged appropriately, new communicative and symbolic systems got developed. That is became its own life, and it would be have no death, and it would be continued in each and every generation. So this is called super organic view. That means when organic world, especially humans, arranged together, it produces super organic beyond these humans. So that is more complex. So the entire earth, it is has inorganic world or physical world. It is least complex. So these inorganic world is appropriately arranged. Organic world came into being. It is somewhat complex than the inorganic. And when organic world is appropriately arranged, super organic world came into being. It is more complex than the first two levels. So this is called super organic. Now we can see that. So through the super organic view, what we can conclude in the culture, whole is greater than the sum of parts. And second thing is, once this culture got created by the first generation people, it acquires its own phenomena, its own laws, as well as its own process, and they would be continued across the generation. That means the super organic culture, once it got created, it is not changeable or relatively stable. It is not easy to amend to change. However, some situation, whoever created this one human beings, but it acquires stability, but sometimes it is the choice of people whether some traits in this super organic would be continued or not. And further, so it is not the always adaptive. Super organic view of culture saying that the culture is not always adaptive. Sometimes the creator who created that creation, that is called super organic or culture, it might be injurious to that individual or creator. Per se, religion. So religion got created by human beings. But this religion created by human beings, but it takes the lives of human beings in the name of wars or wars fought on the name of religion. So like best example is ISIS terrorism and communal tensions in India. So they fought on the ideology of religion. But obviously that religion is created by human beings. The death also occurred because of this creator created that religion portion. So this is the way, these are all the properties. Now you can understand clearly. So superorganic view means it is above the individuals who created that world we call as superorganic view. That is the culture. And this culture became living being. It passes across one generation to another generation without having the death. It is relatively changeable or it is hardly changeable. Whenever the people made any tremendous changes, then only this culture got some kind of changes. Otherwise, it is relatively stable. So, and third property of the superorganic, in the superorganic view of culture, the whole of culture is more than the sum of all the parts. And the another property is this culture is relatively stable. Another property is this superorganic, or we can say that the culture. So it is injurious to that creator or human beings or individuals who created this one. So this is all about superorganic view and organic view. So in simple terms, organic view means how all inorganic elements, all inorganic elements appropriately arranged, life begins. So superorganic means how all human beings, if appropriately arranged, humans are arranged appropriately, new process, new laws come into being, they would be continued in every generation, and this is called new life, or in socio-cultural anthropology we called culture. So culture come into being and it will pass from generation to generation. So this is all about organic and superorganic view of culture, and we will meet in the next class with a new previous year question. Thank you very much.